not nearly as much water here as other parts of the island. Oh well. The entire deck in front of Liam and Maddie. It says, please be respectful. There's the museum. This is Benji.